before you buy another case of bottled water. What if there's a device that installs quickly, removes 99% of contaminants, and pays for itself in 3 weeks? I've analyzed every faucet filter with over 1,000 Amazon reviews, studied independent lab certifications from NSF International, calculated real costs over 6 to 12 months, and found 3 worthwhile contenders. The market is flooded with cheap filters that don't work and premium options that aren't worth the price. Number 3 is the reliable choice most people should start with. Number 2 solves the biggest complaint about faucet filters. And number 1 redefines home water filtration with technology that used to only exist in commercial systems. But first, look at this data. Same water source, same faucet, but completely different contaminant levels after filtration. This test measured 15 common contaminants. The filtered water removed over 99% of chlorine, 96% of lead, and significant amounts of other concerning contaminants. Even if your municipal water meets EPA standards, those standards allow certain contaminant levels you probably don't want to consume long-term. Watch the turbidity test. The filtered water is visibly clearer. I've analyzed NSF certification data. That's the National Sanitation Foundation that actually tests water filters, studied flow rate specifications, reviewed filter lifespan reports from thousands of users, and calculated real-world cost per gallon, including replacements. I've reviewed compatibility data because about 15% of faucets won't work with standard filters. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which filter matches your faucet type, budget, and water quality needs. Before we dive in, understand this about water filtration. Not all filters are equal. Some use activated carbon for chlorine removal, but don't catch heavy metals. Others use ion exchange for lead and mercury, but don't help with chlorine. The best use multiple stages, typically activated carbon plus ion exchange, plus mechanical filtration. And filter companies don't clearly explain NSF certifications. NSF 42 is just taste and odor, basically chlorine. NSF 53 is health-related contaminants like lead, mercury, and cysts. NSF 401 covers emerging contaminants like pharmaceuticals. When I say a filter is certified, I'm looking at NSF 53 and 401. Those matter for health. Number 3, per classic faucet mount. The proven standard, PUR, dominates the market for documented reasons. NSF certified for 70-plus contaminants, including lead, chlorine, and mercury. NSF 42, 53, and 401 certified for health-related contaminants. The filter uses 3 stages. Mechanical filtration catches particles, activated carbon removes chlorine and pesticides, ion exchange resin captures heavy metals. Key innovation: one-click switching between filtered and unfiltered modes. No constantly screwing and unscrewing. 300-gallon filter capacity equals 2 to 3 months for a family of 4. At $15 per replacement, that's 5 cents per gallon versus $1.50 for bottled water. But the 300-gallon capacity assumes ideal water, high sediment or chlorine means more frequent replacement, potentially every 6 to 8 weeks. Installation includes 5 adapter pieces fitting about 85% of standard faucets. Won't work with pull-out spray faucets or unusual commercial styles. User experience shows reliable consistency. Main complaints are 30% flow rate reduction and occasional leaking if not installed correctly. For $25 to $30 for the unit and $15 per replacement, it's solid value. Number 2, Water Drop WD FC06, the flow rate champion. Most faucet filters dramatically reduce water pressure. It's the #1 reason people stop using them. This one maintains 90% of original flow rate through parallel flow design, where water splits into multiple channels simultaneously. Specifications show 16 ounces in 8 seconds versus 25 seconds for standard filters, more than 3 times faster. Filling a 32-ounce bottle takes 16 seconds instead of 50 seconds. Innovation feature: 360-degree rotation for optimal positioning. No more bumping into the filter while washing dishes. NSF 42 and 53 certified for chlorine, lead, mercury, and 38 other contaminants, covering all major health concerns. Filter lifespan: 320 gallons. Replacement filters cost $18 to $20, so 6 cents per gallon. Filter indicator shows remaining life as a percentage. You see exactly when you're at 50%, 25%, 10% capacity. Installation works with 95% of standard faucets, includes 6 adapters. User experience, 4.6 stars across 5,000 plus reviews. Main complaints are price, $35 to $40, about $10 more than PUR, and larger size on smaller sinks. But users consistently say flow rate is worth the premium. Number 1. Brita Stream Faucet Mount, the technology leader. This revolutionizes faucet filtration with stream technology that filters at full flow rate, as fast as unfiltered tap water. Instead of forcing water through static filters, the Brita Stream uses dynamic filtration within the moving water stream itself. The technology is active filtration. Water passes through specialized channels, creating turbulence that forces water through filtration media at high speeds without pressure buildup. Traditional filters push water through dense sponges. Effective but slow. This system spins water through a centrifuge with filtration media on the walls, fast movement but full filtration contact. NSF certified for 60-plus contaminants covering all major health concerns. The most impressive innovation. Easiest filter replacement I've ever seen. Press a button, old cartridge pops out, snap a new one. Takes 10 seconds. Every other system requires unscrewing, sometimes needing pliers. Smart Filter Indicator shows exactly how much life remains with digital countdown in gallons. Connects to smartphone app for reminders and consumption tracking. Filter lifespan, 400 gallons, longest of all three. Replacement costs $22 to $25, so 6 cents per gallon despite lasting longer. Installation fits most modern faucets from the last 5 to 7 years, around 90% compatibility. Check Brita's online compatibility checker. Pricing reality, $50 to $60, double PUR's price. But users report it's worth the premium for convenience and performance. Purchase price is just the beginning. Replacements determine long-term value. 6-month analysis for a family of 4 using 3 gallons daily. Per $30 unit plus $45 filters, $75, total $150 annually, 7 cents per gallon. Water drop, $40 unit. $55 filters, bus $95 total, $190 annually, 8 cents per gallon. Brita, $55 unit plus $45 filters, $100 total, $200 annually, 8 cents per gallon. Compared to bottled water at $360 annually, you're saving $160 to $210 yearly. Any filter pays for itself in under a month. Environmental impact. Family of 4 using bottled water generates 2,090 plastic bottles annually. Faucet filters eliminate this waste entirely, 99% plastic reduction, even accounting for replacement cartridges. The analysis confirms any of these 3 transforms tap water quality while delivering massive savings, $160 to $210 annually for average families. All 3 remove health-related contaminants that matter. Differences are in convenience, flow rate, and price. For most people, PUR Classic is the best starting point. Proven reliability, comprehensive filtration, lowest price. If flow rate matters most, spend the extra $10 for water drop. If you want best technology and easiest maintenance, Brita is worth the premium. Here's what companies don't emphasize. Replacement timing affects quality more than which filter you choose. Replace late and you're drinking unfiltered water, saturated media stops working. Replace early and you're wasting money. Follow indicator lights religiously. Don't extend filter life beyond recommendations. The few dollars saved isn't worth health risks. Drop a comment, still buying bottled water, or switch to filtration. Which filter matches your needs? Want me to analyze whole house systems or under sink reverse osmosis next? Let me know. Subscribe for honest product analysis that saves you money and improves your health.